Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about how can we unmute Tecno Mobile. Friends, your phone is on mute mode and friends you want to unmute your Tecno Mobile. So how can you unmute today? I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, open your phone setting to unmute guys your Tecno Mobile. After on phone setting we will scroll it. Friends, you can see this type of setting. Friends, you can see guys your Tecno phone guys, this sound and vibration setting guys. Tap on sound and vibration. Again scroll. Friends, you can see guys your phone mute setting guys. We will tap here guys. As you can see your mute setting guys, you can see the vibrate setting guys. You want to on, so you can on, but guys we will off it from here guys. So friends, your vibe this mute will off means your phone will unmute. So like that guys, we can unmute guys our Tecno phone. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Friends, do you have any doubt guys related to guys your sound and vibration setting guys, you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye guys.